Hello designers. In this short clip, I'm going to show you how to download the pattern for my website. So I'm just going to enter GigiPatterns. So when you get to the page, we don't need this guy. This is where you see all the patterns, and this is where you will see all the free patterns. So if we're just going to click it here for now. Next, I'm going to add this one to my cart. Just click add to cart. So I'm gonna go back because I want to add this mask, this face mask. Just click it here, and then you click add to cart. So next, if you click checkout, and it's going to take you to this page. If you have a login details, you can just log in, but if you don't have a login details, you need to create one. The other way you can access your account is here on this little guy here. Let me just highlight for you guys. So this is the little guy, the guy where you need to click if you want to access your account. So if you click here, it will take you to this page again. So next, we're just going to create an account. We need to click here. I'm going to highlight again. So you click here, create an account. So it's just going to double click, and it's going to take you on this page. So I'm just going to enter my details. And then create account. So next, click, a robot. Unfortunately, this is what the website provider put on the website. I wish I could take this, but I can't. So we need to do the traffic lights. So then click next. I go wrong. So verify. Next, click submit. And your account is created. So next, we're going to just put a basic information because it still asks you. And next, click continue to make a payment, but you're not making any payment if you downloaded the free patterns. Next, click review, and then you click complete order. Once you click complete order, this page will come blank. Just wait because it's processing. Wait again, it's preparing your download. Sometimes it can take a little longer because it depends how many people downloading at the same time. So that's one of the reasons. And then you get this page. So it's asking you here, click here to download your pattern. And you also get an email sent to your email address with the link how to download your patterns. So if I click here, so it's downloading my pattern now here. So next, see if I open my pattern, it's here now. Or you can click here as well. So if you click there, so you get all your patterns. So you can just click download all. Let me show you guys again. So basically this is your order, it's preparing. Sometimes we just show one pattern to download. Like if we click, it's just gonna download one. But if you click here, let me highlight. If you click here, just click here, download patterns, and then you show all your patterns, and then you can just download. We're just gonna go back. So the other option, we go continue shopping. So say if you haven't downloaded your pattern and you want to download it later, so you're just going to go to this guy again. This guy, that's your customer account. You just double click and you take it to this page. So if you click here, there where it says order, and then you have the order number, you just double click. It's going to open this page. So basically that's where you can download your pattern anytime you want to. If you decide you want to come back and then download, you can just like click. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you guys, and thank you so much for your support. Bye, have a good day.